guys, welcome to the Football channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make white beans soup. But before I show you how to make it, make sure you click the red button under my video, hit the notification bell, like and share. Let's start. What you need is white beans, and you will need a pot and filled with hot water. You can put those white beans in this hot water and you're gonna leave it for basically 12 hours.
We want you to get on your feet. Stand up, stand up. Come on, get loose with the heat. Right now. Think your body till you black out.
Guys, so you're gonna remove the pot from the stove after the water is hot, and you're gonna put those white beans in here. So we're gonna cover it, and we will see you after 12 hours. Okay, now it has been 12 hours. You're gonna drain the water, and you're gonna put water in the pot again, and you're gonna put on the fire for 30 minutes. This is boiling, the white beans. We're gonna add meat to a pot, and we're gonna pour water. We're gonna add meat in a pot, and we're gonna pour water. And we're gonna wait until you see it kind of grayish color. Guys, we're gonna add the cardamom, and we're gonna add bay leaves. That I'm gonna cover it. Now guys, we're gonna put the onion to a pot that has oil. As you can see, it's hot. The meat that we boiled, I'm gonna add it here. We're gonna add tomato paste. You're gonna add it to the middle. We're gonna add the white beans to this pot. We're gonna add the water that we boiled, that we rolled the meat with. Add more water. This time it's just drinkable water. Guys, we're gonna add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're gonna add one teaspoon of salt, because we already put salt while boiling the white beans the second time. Now we're gonna mix it. And now we're gonna cover it. Now we're gonna leave it like this until it's ready. Guys, it is ready. As you can see, it has to look like this. Now I'm gonna tear it off. I'm gonna show you how to prepare it. So we have reached the end of the video. As you can see, it's really easy to make and it's also tasty. It comes with a salad, any kind of salad, and rice. Those two are optional. You can eat it by itself if you like. If you want to see how I made this rice, make sure you click the button on top of my video. But before I leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment. Bye bye.